Hi and welcome everyone to another tutorial, and in this video we're going to talk about a great noting tool called Obsidian. So Obsidian is an MD Markdown noting tool to take notes, and it's amazing. Today I'm going to show you how to install it and how to configure it, what things you can play with, how to edit the layout, and also I will give you a gift at the end of the video, so stick around. Well, first we go to Google and write Obsidian. After that we open the first link. Then we click on Get Obsidian for Windows. Well, it depends on your platform actually. If you have Linux, it also works on Linux, maybe Mac. And then we click Download for Windows. So the download starts as usual. I will see you when the download ends. Okay, now that the download has finished, we can click on Open File. Okay, now we have this screen. And now we have this one. So first it asks you if you want to install it for all the users or only this user. We are going to install it for anyone. After that we click next. So we have this pop-up to agree to install it to every user on this computer. And then we press install. As simple as that. Now our software is installing. After it installs, I'm going to show you some tricks and some, let's say, add-ons and plugins we can install and how to install them and how to edit the theme. Okay, finish, run Obsidian. I'm gonna keep this checked, so I run Obsidian after. We first need to create a vault. We click create, we name our vault, let's say my notes, and we put it, for example, in the documents folder, and then we press create. Okay, now we are in Obsidian. So the first note created already is called welcome, and as you can see the layout is not quite good, it's not quite perfect. We can start by, for example, seeing those. Okay, this is the outline. The outline I prefer to put it here. I always like to put it here too. So for example, if I come here and create a title 1, it is showed. If under it I create the title 2, it is also shown. I can do this. I prefer to keep it this way. Then I remove this side. For the graph view, I would like to have this, then install a plugin. Let me show you how to install a plugin. You click on the settings here, we go to community plugins, we turn on community plugins. After that we click browse, and you can search Google for any plugin you want. I will install calendar. I like this plugin, it helps me see the date and organize daily notes. I will enable it. Then I will get out of this menu and I click on calendar right here. As you can see, this is the calendar. I would like to keep the calendar under the graph view. Then I will shut this down. So this is the perfect layout for me. I always use this layout. Let me remove this one. Now let's see how to change the themes in Obsidian. So we go to appearance, we manage, and we can choose any theme we want. For example, if you are a hacker, there is a theme for Hack the Box actually. That seems like the Hack the Box Academy. We can install and use, and we wait for it to install. And then as you can see, our Obsidian turns into the theme we just installed. So in this video you will find under the video in the description an MD cheat sheet. You can learn MD from there. I will keep it for you. This is my gift for you. Thanks for watching the video and see you in another one.